Krish's garden is 90 metres by 30 metres. Krish trains by running in his garden. On Monday, Krish ran 60 lengths of his garden in 20 minutes. On Tuesday, he ran round the perimeter of the garden 50 times in 30 minutes. On Wednesday, Krish ran and walked round the perimeter of his garden. He ran the lengths and walked the widths, completing 50 laps in 46.5 minutes. This information relates to questions 75 to 77. 77. On Wednesday, if Krish ran at the same speed as on Tuesday, at what speed did he walk? On Tuesday, Krish ran round the perimeter of the garden 50 times. The garden is 90 metres by 30 metres, so if we add these two distances together, that would be 120 metres, and then of course we have a further 30 metres plus a further 90 metres, which gives a total of 240 metres. He ran this 50 times, so we can say 5 times 240. That would be 1,200. So 240 times 50 is therefore 12,000. 12,000 metres is equivalent to 12 kilometres, and he did this distance in 30 minutes. 12 kilometres in 30 minutes, of course, equates to 24 kilometres per hour. On Wednesday, Krish ran at the same speed as on Tuesday, so that means he ran at 24 kilometres per hour. But he only ran the lengths, he walked the widths. So the widths of this garden are 30 metres and the lengths are 90 metres. 90 plus 90 is 180 metres, and we know that he did 50 laps in total. It means that he did 180 metres 50 times. So once again we can calculate 5 multiplied by 100, that's 500, and 5 multiplied by 80, which is a further 400. But remember, we're multiplying by 50, not by 5, and that means the answer is 9,000, not 900. This is 9,000 metres, and that's how far the distance was that he ran as he ran the lengths. We know that he did this at a rate of 24 kilometres per hour. Of course, this also equates to 12 kilometres every 30 minutes. And of course, we can also say that that equates to 6 kilometres every 15 minutes. I've halved those values. And also 3 kilometres every 7.5 minutes. So as you can see, 9 kilometres would take a total of 22.5 minutes. So that 9,000 metres or 9 kilometres would take Krish 22.5 minutes. We know that the total amount of time he spent was 46.5 minutes. So if I subtract 22.5 from 46.5, then I'm left with 24 minutes. This, of course, is the time that he would have spent walking the widths, which are 30 metres each. So every time he goes around the perimeter, 60 metres of that distance travelled is walking. He does this, of course, 50 times, and that means 3,000 metres in total was the distance he walked. We know he walked that 3,000 metres in 24 minutes, so we can say 24 minutes equates to 3,000 metres. Remember, we need the speed in kilometres per hour, so I'm going to take 24 minutes and I'm going to divide it by 4. If I divide 24 by 4, then I get 6. So after 6 minutes, he would have travelled 3,000 divided by 4. 3,000 divided by 4 is 750. So after 6 minutes, he would have travelled 750 metres. And that means after 60 minutes, which of course is 1 hour, I've multiplied by 10, he would have travelled 7,500 metres. If I convert that to kilometres, it would be 7.5 kilometres, and this is the speed that Krish walked the widths. We can say then that the speed Krish walked on Wednesday was 7.5 kilometres per hour.